Now the root systems of these plants, depending on how tall they are, can be a huge thick ball. It can be long, thin root systems here, as you see this here. You can see these parts of these tubers right here. This is actually part of your daylily root system here. And then, of course, when you cut it in half, which I just did with this one, is you actually slice these, okay? Some people get nervous, oh my gosh, if I slice that, am I going to kill my plant? And actually, no, because these will just grow more, and they'll grow more. So you have your roots, you have your tubers. These will just grow more. The bone meal that you might add will help them grow a little bit more. They're nice and sturdy. This is actually very healthy. So this root system really has not been bothered at all just by cutting it in half. If anything, it might even grow better next year. Probably be double the size of this plant. If I put it in the ground in the fall, probably be double the size next spring, which would be a nice size to start off with this particular plant.